Let's start chapter 2, Roman numerals. So first let's review. So here we have to find the answer of the following question. Who was the first president of India? So to get the answer of this question, we have to decode these numerals. So 1 is A, 2 is J, 4 is D, 9 is R, 17 is E, 25 is P, 45 is S, 92 is N. So it is 4, so it will be T. It is 9, so it will be R. It is 9, so it will be R. It is 1, so it will be A. It is 2, so it will be J. It is 17, so it will be E. It is 92, so it will be N. It is 4, it will be T. It is 9, it will be R. It is 1, so it will be A. It is 25, it will be P. It is 9, so it will be R. It is 1, so it will be A. It is 45, so it will be S. It is 1, so it will be A. It is 4, so it will be D. So our decoded message will be Dr. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Now come to the Roman numerals. We have already learned these numerals in class 3rd. We know that these were developed by the Romans many years ago. So these are the 7 symbols which we use as our Roman numerals. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 numerals. I is for 1, V is for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500, and M is for 1000. Now there are some rules for writing Roman numerals. Rule number 1 is that we do not have any symbol for 0 in this system. Rule number 3 is you cannot repeat any number more than 3 times, and we can repeat only these 4 numerals I, X, C and M. These can be repeated, and other symbols like B, L and G, it cannot be repeated. So if we want to write 3, we will repeat 1, 1, 1, which will be equals to 3. 30, it will be 10 will be repeated. 10, 10, 10. So the addition will be 30. C is for 100. So 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is equals to 300. Now come to rule number 4. So, when a symbol is followed by a symbol of a smaller value, then we will add these numbers. So, 5 plus 1 will be 6. We will add these two numbers. 10 plus 2 will be 12. L plus X, that is 50 plus 10, is equals to 60. C, x is equals to 100 plus 10, which is equals to 110. Now come to rule number 5. So when a symbol is preceded by a symbol of a smaller number, we will subtract that number. So it will be 5 minus 1 will be 4. 50 minus 10 will be 40. 10 minus 1 will be 9. Now come to rule number 6. When a smaller number is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is always subtracted from the greater numeral immediately following 8. So suppose for an example, if it is written like this, then 10 and 5 will be subtracted from 1. So 10 plus 4 will be 14. It will be 10 plus 10 will be 10 minus 1 equals to 29. Now these are the Roman numerals up to 50. So children, remember these numerals. Now come to example 1. Here you have to write the following in Roman numerals. A 65. So how can you write 65? It will be 60 plus 5. 60 will be LX and 5 will be V. So it will be LXV. 78, we will break it. 70 plus 8. First we will write 70. L is 50 and 10, 10. It will be 70 plus 8 will be 5 and 3 ones. So it will be 8. So our answer is LXVIII. 192 is equals to 100 plus 90 plus 8. 100 is C, 90 is XC, and 8 is 5 and 3 times I. So it will be CXCVIII. Now come to example 2. Here you have to change these numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Let's take this example. LXXVI. So it will be L plus XS plus IX. L is 50, XX is 20, IX is 9. So the addition of these three is 79. Similarly for CMLV, CMLV is equals to C plus M, C plus ML plus V. So it will be 900 plus 50 plus 5, which is equals to 955. Now come to exercise 2. Here you have to do this exercise as explained in above examples. So this one you have to do yourself.